welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about DML commands in SQL. DML stands for Data Manipulation Language. As the name suggests, these commands are used to manipulate the data stored inside database tables. With DML commands, we can insert new records, retrieve existing records, update records, and delete records from a table. The main DML commands are insert, select, update, and delete. Let's understand each command step by step with practical example. So, firstly, open Workbench. Select your server in localhost. Click on New SQL Files. So, firstly, overview of DML commands. Double dash means comment. DML stands for Data Manipulation Language. It is stored to manage data stored in table. DML commands works on records and rows. Means basically it is does not work in structure. It works in basically inside the data. First is a insert. Used add new data. Second one is a select. Select is used to view data. जो भी हमने टेबल के अंदर जो भी डेटा हमने स्टोर किया है तो उसको देखने के लिए हम सिलेक्ट क्यूरी यूज करेंगे. फोर्थ वन इज अ अपडेट. used it is used to modify data. Fourth one is a delete. Delete user to remove all data. Okay, create a table. Before performing DML operation, let's create a table named student. First, use the database. तो हम यहाँ पे यूज करेंगे कॉलेज डीबी जो हमारा डेटाबेस का नेम है. Execute this command. So here successfully execute. Use database college DB. Create table. Table name is a student. Open round bracket and close round bracket. लास्ट को हम सेमीकोलन लगाएंगे. सेमीकोलन इज मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट. So first column name is a student ID. Data type is integer and student ID is primary key. It is uniquely identified. There is no any duplication will be allowed. Duplicate data cannot be allowed in primary key. Second column is the name. Data type is a varchar. Then third is a course. Course is also Data type is varchar. Next is a city. City is also varchar. Size is 50. Okay. Table is ready. There are student ID, name, course and city columns are present. Execute this command. See here, table is created. So let's see in schema. Refresh. See here, student table is created. Open column. There are student ID, name, course and city columns are present. This student table is now created. Next one is a insert command. The insert command is used to add new records into a table. Start with insert into table name. Table name is a student. Values. Values means which data can be inserted inside the table. Means rows 1, कॉमा जो हमारा varchar है वो हमेशा सिंगल या डबल कॉलम में हमको डालना है. नेम इज राम, कॉमा कोर्स इज थर्ड कॉलम नेम इज अ कोर्स. So type is course name is a computer. Next is a city. So city name Pune and in last semicolon. So select commands and execute. Okay. So one row is affected means data can be successfully inside the table. Next another two tables can be add. Insert into student. Student is table name. Keep remember. Then values. Values means rows. Second row means second student ID. Name is Sita, comma department. Department name is the IT, comma city Satara. Execute this command. Okay. Also second data, second row is inserted. Then next insert into student values. Third name is a Rahul, comma department is civil, comma city name is Pune. Okay. Execute or run this command. So third data will be successfully inserted. After execute this command, their three records will be inserted into the student table. Then second command is a select command. So basically this select command is used to retrieve or display data from the table. जो हमने अभी स्टूडेंट टेबल के अंदर जो हमने अभी 1, 2 और 3 जो स्टूडेंट आईडी है जैसे कि राम, सीता और राहुल, इनका हमने क्या किया अभी डेटा इंसर्ट किया, तो उसको डिस्प्ले करने के लिए या रिट्राइव करने के लिए सिलेक्ट कमांड यूज होती है. सो डिस्प्ले ऑल रिकॉर्ड्स, select start from student. Execute. Okay. So let's see here. There are three rows will be showing. First is a Ram, Sita and Rahul. Second, departments means course, and last one is a city. The using star symbols means all columns will be selected. Star means all columns are displayed. Okay. Then next, how to display specific columns. अभी हमें सिर्फ नेम और कोर्स ये दो ही डिपार्टमेंट हमें क्या करने हैं, देखने हैं। तो उसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे, सिलेक्ट नेम कॉमा कोर्स फ्रॉम विच टेबल, स्टूडेंट टेबल. Execute this command. Okay. See here, name and cost. There are two tables can be displayed. So I can only one tables can be shown. Select table name is a only name from student table. See here, only name table can be displayed. The query display only the name and course. Second one is a only name can be displayed. Then next is a fourth update. Update command is used to modify existing record in a table. बेसिकली जो भी हमारे टेबल के अंदर का जो रिकॉर्ड है उसको हम मॉडिफाई करना चाहते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, कि सिटी का नाम हम कुछ और चेंज करना चाहते हैं, या रोल नंबर 1 का नाम हम चेंज करना चाहते हैं, तो उसके लिए हम अपडेट क्यूरी यूज करते हैं. लेट्स सी, सिलेक्ट अपडेट स्टूडेंट, update table name is a student, set city is equal to Sangli, where student id is equal to 1. ओके. यहाँ पे हम देखेंगे जो हमारी सिटी है उसको हम चेंज करना चाहते हैं, पर किसकी, जो हमारा स्टूडेंट आईडी 1 है, मतलब जिसका आईडी 1 है उसकी सिटी हम चेंज करना चाहते हैं, जो कि हम सांगली रखना चाहते हैं. तो देखते हैं पहले क्या थी सिटी. ठीक है, यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं आप, जो हमारा स्टूडेंट आईडी 1 है उसकी सिटी है पुणे. तो हम पुणे से चेंज करके क्या करना चाहते हैं, उसको सांगली करना चाहते हैं. सो एग्जीक्यूट दिस कमांड. See here, one row is affected, one change affected. Let's see once again. Okay, see here, पुणे से सांगली हमारा जो भी नेम था वो हो गया है. दिस क्यूरी चेंज दिस सिटी नेम ऑफ स्टूडेंट हुज स्टूडेंट आईडी इज 1. Next है delete. The delete command is used to remove records from a table. So basically you can delete the all records can be permanently or specific one records can be also deleted. So firstly हम देखते हैं कि specific जो रिकॉर्ड है वो कैसे डिलीट करना है. सो डिलीट फ्रॉम टेबल नेम इज अ स्टूडेंट. नेक्स्ट वेयर मीन्स कौन से या किसका डिलीट करना है, तो स्टूडेंट आईडी इज इक्वल टू 3. जो हमारा स्टूडेंट आईडी 3 है तो उसका रिकॉर्ड हमें डिलीट करना है. एग्जीक्यूट दिस कमांड. Here one row is affected. Let's check. Select star from student. Okay. See here third row is permanently deleted. Okay. So in this video, we learn about DML commands in SQL. We understand how to insert, retry, update and delete records using insert, update and delete commands. So basically insert is add new data, select is view data, update is modify data and delete is remove data. This is our most frequently used in SQL commands in database. This is application of and interviews. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more DBMS SQL tutorials. Thank you.